Infrared spectroscopy. The absorption of infrared radiation by an organic compound causes the various bands in a molecule to stretch and bend.
Some of the frequencies are absorbed and some other are transmitted without being absorbed.
If we plot the percentage transmittance or percentage absorbance against wave number or frequency, infrared spectrum is obtained. The most important region for organic chemist is 4000 to 650 cm inverse or 2.5 to 15 mu. The absorption of 1 hour radiation can be expressed in terms of wavelength or wave numbers. Generally, IR spectra of organic compounds are plotted as percentage transmittance against wave number. The relationship between wavelength and wave number is as follows.
Wave number equals to 1 divided by wavelength in centimeters. If the wavelength is 2.5 mu, equals to 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeters. Wave number, V equals to 1 divided by 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that equals to 4000 centimeter inverse. The transitions of energy involved in infrared absorption are associated with vibrational changes within the molecule. The molecules are constantly undergoing vibrations at room temperature. Each bond in the molecule has its characteristic stretching and bending vibrations which are quantized and are capable of absorbing light of that frequency lying in the IR region. The stretching vibration of two atoms connected to a bond can be compared to the vibrations of two balls attached to a spring. It requires more energy to stretch than to bend it. Thus stretching absorption of bond appears at higher frequency than the bending absorption of the same bond. For non-linear polyatomic molecules, there will be 3n-6 nodes of vibration, 3n-5 if linear, which include both stretching and bending vibrations.
Hooke's law, calculation of vibrational frequency. The stretching frequency, V, of a bond with reasonable accuracy can be calculated applying Hooke's law of simple harmonic motions. The Hooke's law is, V equals to 1 divided by 2 pi of, k by mu, power of 1 by 2. Where mu is, reduced mass is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2. V is the frequency of absorption. K is, force constant of the bond. M1 and M2 are the masses of the atoms attached to the covalent bond.
If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.